Welcome to another OfficeLogix Shop tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to easily replace the back fabric on a Steelcase Leap V2 chair. Now, the bottom of the fabric has this U-shaped clip that goes into the rail insert, so you need to unclip that to remove the old fabric completely. Now get the new back fabric and note how there are clips on the top because you will have to clip them later. Start from the bottom and clip the U-shaped clip into the rail insert. Make sure to hear the clicking when you do that. You want it to be fully secured in its place. After you're done, move to the upper part of the back fabric. Now all you have to do is slide the clips in and hear them click. Congratulations! You now got yourself a new back fabric for your Steelcase Leap V2 chair. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to get our latest tutorials and exclusive videos.